The FASTBACK was a machine that I was kind of scared to purchase it off the get-go, is because I kind of got in my own way. I was thinking that all splash had to be kind of rounded over, so I was kind of holding back on the FASTBACK, thinking that Park was going to make something different. And it came to me one day in the shop. I think we had fabricated 3 kitchens or something one day, and we had 3 carts full of backsplash, and we had to turn the rest of the machines off to everybody jump on and fabricate or polish backsplash. And I said to myself, man, these pieces of backsplash, they're really expensive. We had to slow the machines down or turn the machines off so we could just get after backsplash. So I knew it was a time to look into the FASTBACK. And once we put it in, I wish I'd have done it, years prior to, because we were running all the backsplash through there, and 15 minutes a day you can run 4 kitchens through it. We've done a lot of commercial work we send through there, a lot of hotel work, all the vanities, they get pushed through there. It's just, you can polish, for pennies per lineal foot compared to, a CNC. The polishes, you'll never be better than a pad polisher, which that's how the FASTBACK polishes. So, I mean, it's been the fastest return on investment in it. It's just because it opened up time to do other things instead of, polishing, stuff by hand, and it's been a wonderful machine.